Welcome to the Plush Lab. Today is Embroidery Basics, how to do a running stitch 3 ways. The running stitch is one of the most basic embroidery and sewing stitches and is usually the first stitch learned by beginners. Let's start with the basic way to do the stitch. Bring the needle up through the back of the fabric to the front, and then bring the needle back down to the back of the fabric a stitch lengths away. This completes your first stitch. Then continue to bring the needle up again from the back, a space length from your previous stitch, and then back down. Continue stitching in this manner, spacing the stitches at regular intervals and keeping the stitches as uniform in size as you can until you reach the end. The second way you can make the stitch is by sewing it. So this way you can sew the stitch by just scooping up a bit of the fabric and then pulling the thread through. This technique for a running stitch is a great way to play with different intervals between your stitch lengths and the space between your stitches. So continue to do this again as consistently as possible until you reach the end. Now this is by far my favorite way to do a running stitch. Weave the needle in and out of the fabric, loading several evenly spaced stitches onto the needle, and then pull the needle through the fabric in one motion. And there you go, a running stitch. And that's it, a running stitch 3 ways. I use all of these stitches when making my plush toys, so consider checking out some of my patterns on my Etsy shop. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time with another tutorial. Bye!